Okay, we're in the connect section, new feedback. We're going to assign an alert. And if you look up the top here in this band, you'll see that in each of these new pieces of feedback, it has a status, and this is passive, goes to the next state, which is archiving in 2 hours. This one is passive, it goes to the next state in 2 hours too, but it's been assigned to someone, so assigned to me. We're going to assign Robin to somebody. Now, an example of this would be somebody that's interested in personal training, or they're interested in sales, or let's say they've got a facilities challenge and you want to forward them to your facilities director. So we just treat this like normal feedback. We view for response and we go to assign alert, and you can choose a user or role. So in your clubs, you might have the role of personal training director, and that would come up in your tabs. Click on that and assign alert. If it's a user, for example, let's say it's a sales thing and Grant Gamble Demo 1 is the salesperson or the sales director, click on that. You can add a note. We can say that Robin, and make sure we get the spelling right because she's got 2 B's, so pay attention to those sort of things, it's important. Wants to look at upgrading her membership, for example. Okay, and assign the alert. Now, when we go back to new feedback, you'll see that Robin's still there, but it's been assigned to the salesperson. So this is a really important piece of what you'll do on a daily basis, is to relegate things into the right buckets. And sometimes there'll be no one that you need to assign to, and some days you'll assign everything out. But it's an important role. Hope that helps.